Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dead velvet cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of red velvet cake plus the ingredients called for on the back of the box. So mine is 1 cup of water, 3 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Then for the frosting we need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened, a stick of butter softened, 2 1/4 cups of powdered sugar, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then for the blood that goes on the top, we need a 1/2 cup of cold water, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, another teaspoon of vanilla extract, and red food coloring. So let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 350, and then we are going to spray or butter and flour 2 9-inch cake pans. Okay, next I am going to go ahead and prepare my box of cake per the back of the box. So right now my water, oil, eggs, and cake mix are in here, and I'm going to beat that with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes on medium speed. Alright, that looks pretty mixed to me. So next I'm going to pour that into my 2 pans as evenly as possible and bake that per the back of my box, which is 24 to 29 minutes. Alright, those look pretty even to me, so into the oven they'll go. Okay, my cakes are out of the oven, and I'm going to just go ahead and put those on a cooling rack. I'm going to leave them in the pans though, and just let them cool while we make everything else. Alright, so next we are going to make the frosting. In here I have my softened cream cheese and my softened butter, and I'm just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy, which usually takes around 2 minutes. Alright, that looks great to me, so I'm going to add in the vanilla extract and powdered sugar and just mix it again until it's combined. Alright, the frosting looks great, and I'm not going to lie, it tastes great. So next we're going to get to work on our blood. So in a small saucepan I have my cornstarch. I'm going to add my cold water to that and just stir it until it is completely combined. Alright, that looks pretty combined to me, so I went ahead and turned on my burner to medium heat, and I'm going to add in my cornstarch. Sorry, I meant to say corn syrup, not cornstarch. Alright, my mixture has finally come to a little boiling, so I turned it down to simmer, and I'm just going to stir this frequently for 2 minutes and let it simmer. Alright, that is really crazy what it turned into, like a big old glob of gel. So next I'm going to add my vanilla and my red food coloring and stir it to combine. Alright, my blood looks amazing, so it's time to put everything together. So get out a pie plate or a cake pan dish, however you're going to layer up your cake. Alright, it is time to put this thing together. So I have my big cake plate out here that I just got for $1, and I am going to go ahead and cut the dome shape off of one of my cakes and lay it on top of my cake pan. Alright, that looks good to me. You don't want to cut off too much, you just want it to be flat. So next we are going to add a little bit of our blood just to make the cake stick. Or you could add frosting, whatever you want. I'm going to add a little bit of the blood. So next we are going to do the same thing to this one and just cut the dome off and lay it dome side down on top of this other cake. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are just going to frost the entire thing. Alright, my entire cake is frosted, which I'm not the best at frosting, but I did use it all. So next I'm going to give my blood a good stir. I might even add some water to it because it's supposed to drip, and mine is really thick. I'm scared though. Alright, my blood is all on my cake. I did add a couple more tablespoons of water to mine. It just was really thick. And then you just kind of gloop it all on the top and work it around with a spoon. That's what I did. Work it towards the edges so it starts to drip. So now for the final touch. Alright, there's my finishing touch. I bought a little knife at Dollar Tree. There it is. It's so cute. And it just makes the cake look that much more awesome. So we hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.